Hello everyone, it's nearly Easter. I hope you're having a lovely break. I am. I'm very busy. I'm going camping tomorrow, but I am missing you all. I'm missing school. Have been in and tidied and put some lovely things out, but I wanted to share this book this week. It's called Meet the Weather and it's by Caryl Hart and it's illustrated by a lady called Bethan Woollvin. And Bethan Woollvin is one of, I was going to say she is my favourite, but I think that's Michael Rosen. She's one of my favourite authors and illustrators. She did Little Red and Hansel and Gretel, and her, I think it's lino print. She's just so cool. I love her so much. And I'm reading this today for Hattie in Attenborough class. Hattie asked about the weather. She was curious. She was being kept in curiosity. She wanted to know why the weather is how it is. And I actually don't know much about it, Hattie, so I'm hoping this book will give us some answers and we can look and learn together. So this is Meet the Weather. The weather's been doing lots of things recently, but I think we've got a few days of sunshine coming up, which will be good for my camping trip. Okay, oh gosh, what weather can you spy on here? Meet the weather. So we're going to meet each piece of weather and find out about them. Okay. Oh, look at the dog. Okay. Have you ever stepped out in the morning and discovered it's dull, wet and grey? Or perhaps the day's warm, bright and cheerful? Have you wondered who makes it that way? Well, our weather is part of our planet and it can change over months, weeks or days. And it's made up of sun, air and water that are mixed up in all sorts of ways. I think it might have been windy because there's evidence of a kite. And the hot air balloon in this picture is reminding me of those hot air balloons we saw above school. Okay, let's launch ourselves into adventure and make friends with the weather up high on a magical hot air balloon ride. Quick, get ready to soar through the sky. Oh, I think I missed a page. Yeah, I did. Okay, so this is the cloud we're meeting. Well, hello, I'm a cloud. Great to meet you. Please come floating with us, I insist. How I wish you could bounce on our tummies, but we're made up of water and mist. Stop and watch us for a while. I promise we can make lots of shapes just for you. Look, a duckling and a fish. And a love heart. It's amazing what us clouds can do. And we went cloud spotting in reception and we were lying on the ramp and I know quite a few children saw some letter sounds. We saw the P floating past and then a cloud floated past. It was beautiful. I saw a velociraptor cloud the other day as well. Okay. Whoop, wooey, I'm the wind, whooshing wildly. I'm the gushing and rushing of air. There are times when I'm as soft as a feather. Feel me tickle and lift up your hair. It's great fun when I'm gusting and blowing. I can make the trees swish to and fro. So take in a deep breath and come join me. Are you ready now? 1, 2, 3, blow. Whoosh. I think the wind is actually my worst type of weather because of my long hair. I don't like the wind, but it's very good to dry our clothes. Okay, quick, crack, bang. I am powerful lightning. I'm a mighty electrical spark. I am made in gargantuan storm clouds, and I light up the whole sky when it's dark. My loud playmate is thunder. Wow, listen, she grabs hold of my crackling sound and then hurls it to earth with a fantastic boom. She's the noisiest neighbour around. There was a little bit of thunder and lightning. I think on our last day at school, it was so rainy. Whoa, watch out, I'm a twirling tornado. I'm ferocious and wild, please take care. I'm so strong I can tear up whole houses and fling trees, cars and trucks through the air. Whoa! No, I don't want anyone to worry about this. This is incredibly rare in England, but it is reminding me of The Wizard of Oz when Dorothy Dorothy's house gets carried away and she ends up in the land of Oz. Hello dear, I'm Fog. Please come closer. You're so awfully tricky to see. Take my hand now and mind where you're going. There's no weather as murky as me. I love the glasses, they're like the Harry Potter ones. I make lampposts and trees look like shadows. I feel clammy, so damp, cold and grey. So go slowly and turn on your headlamps and be careful you don't lose your way. That is like Mappily Top by me. It gets very, very cloudy because it's so and foggy. It's on a hill. I'm the snow darling. Don't you just love me? I'm so feathery, fluffy and light. When I float to the ground, I'm so pretty. I can turn the whole landscape pure white. You could gather me into a snowball, but first take a close look and you'll see. Every flake is a fancy ice crystal that's as fragile and as fine as can be. Do you know it is? The snowflakes are so delicate. Oh, I love this picture. And look, the sun's hugging the cloud. Hip hooray, I'm the shimmering sunshine. Grab a hat and some sun cream. Let's play. All the world smiles along when I'm sparkling, so relax, it's a beautiful day. How I love romping around with the rain clouds, playing hide and seek up in the sky. If you struggle to spot me, don't worry. I'll soon peek out again and say hi. And look, I can spot some mini beasts. We're going into our mini beast topic after the holiday. And, oh, we might even meet some real butterflies. Splish, splash, splosh. I'm the rain and it's pouring. I am made in the clouds. Yes, it's true. When us raindrops have grown fat and heavy, we fall downwards and make you wet through. We soak into the ground all around you, where we help all of nature to grow. Look, these forests and tree frogs just love us, and we hope you do too. Tally-ho. I really love the sound of the rain. That's really relaxing. And look, we've been thinking about bird's eye views, where you look down, but this is looking up from the floor, isn't it? Oh, and a caterpillar. We're going to have our caterpillars. Now, I know lots of you love drawing and painting rainbows at the minute. Look at me, I'm a huge arching rainbow. You will find me where sun and rain meet. In my middle are 7 bright colours, and you might just find gold at my feet. Oh, I wonder if that's true. Now it's time for us all to head homewards. We have had such a wonderful flight, but the weather will always be with us every day and through every dark night. So the next time you look through your window, see what weather has come out to play. Your new friends will be eagerly waiting for you. Tell me, what is the weather today? So wherever you are, whenever you're watching this, I wonder what the weather's doing. The weather outside my window is quite sunny, a little bit cloudy. And I have had my washing on the line, so I'm very happy. And if you want to pause this page as well to do some good book talk, you can. You can talk about all of the different types of weather, which ones you like, which ones you don't like, which ones are your favourite. I did this with Ida, and I'm trying to remember what I said. I love the seasons, so for me it depends what season it is. But I think right now I really love the sunshine. It makes me feel really good. And oh, I've got to choose the rainbow, haven't I? Because it reminds me of all of you. The end. And then look, these are 2 other books that I've got. So if you want to find out about the planets or about the oceans, let me know and I'll read one of those books for a story time video soon as well, or I can bring them in. Okay, have a very happy Easter everyone, and next week I'll be reading The Hungry Caterpillar, and I'm hoping to read it from a very, very special magical place. Okay, that will keep you guessing. Okay, take care, bye.